everyone, welcome to Craft Lab. I'm glad you could join us. Today we are going to make pinwheels. These are fun and easy to make. So, for your pinwheel, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pipe cleaner, a straw, a bead. You also need a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and a hole punch. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is get our paper ready. So to do that, we're going to start by folding our paper over so that we have a triangle shape. From there, we're going to cut off this extra piece. And this we're going to set aside for later. Now, we have one line here, but we want another line going this way. So we're going to refold this paper again to get that line. So now we have two lines. Next thing to do is grab your hole puncher. We're going to fold this again, and we're going to put a punch right here in the center. And the trick with this is that we're only going to put the hole punch in about halfway. And now we have a hole right in the center. Next, we want to grab our ruler and our pencil. We're going to measure about 1 inch from the hole on each side and make a very small mark. Okay. Now, grab your scissors again, and you're going to cut on these lines up to the mark that you made. Alright, now we have one last thing to do, and that is we need to put a hole in these corners of each fin. Okay, so one here, here, and last one. Okay, so now this piece is set. The next thing you need to do is, remember that scrap we had? So what you want to do now is cut a small paper circle out of it. Time to grab your pipe cleaner and your bead. And we're going to put the bead on the pipe cleaner, and then we're going to bend, just like this. Okay? Pick up your paper, stick the pipe cleaner through the center, and you're going to fold each of these up and thread onto the pipe cleaner with the holes you made. Okay. Now we want to grab our dot, and you're just going to push this over the end of the pipe cleaner. The pipe cleaner will help you make the hole. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to bend this over so that it holds that dot in place. Okay. So now we have the basic part of our pinwheel. Next thing you want to do is grab your straw and your hole punch again. We're going to flatten one end of the straw and we're going to punch a hole in it. So here's our punched hole. We're going to take the pipe cleaner, stick that through up to the bead, and then what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the straw. And that's it. There's our pinwheel. It's fun to make a whole bunch of these and put them together or play with them. You can also decorate your pinwheel before you put it together like this if you'd like. And the best kind of paper to use is something that's sturdy but not too heavy. I hope you enjoyed today's project. We'll see you next time.